We all have that one bathroom in the house that could use a refresh. I'm gonna show you how you can create a stylish transformation in as little as one day. Follow me. Today, I'm going to refresh this dated bathroom with a few key items you can purchase from the folks over at Lowe's. These upgrades will take your bathroom from eyesore to farmhouse chic overnight. But before we install anything, it's demo time. Shower panel. Now that our demo is complete and cleaned up, I'm going to start with the centerpiece of the bathroom, the vanity. I like something with some nice storage and a modern marble countertop with stark black hardware. Today, I'm going with the Allen & Roth Carrera White Farmhouse Single Sink Bathroom Vanity. This particular vanity weighs about 200 pounds. I called my brother to give me a hand to move it into place. Next, I'm going to remove the drawer, and that'll allow me access to all the plumbing underneath. Next, you're going to want to address your medicine cabinet. I've chosen the Allen & Roth rubber wood mirrored square medicine cabinet. You want to make sure that you remove the glass door first before it'll make installation that much easier. I'm going to mark the holes with a pencil. Now that we are fully secured to the wall, we can install the mirrored door. Moving on to our shower, I'm going to replace this dated frame door with something more sleek and modern. When you're installing, be sure to use a level to make sure the tracks on the sides are plumb. All right. As you can see, it makes a massive difference in our new modern aesthetic. Since we've added stark black hardware with our new vanity, I'm going to upgrade the shower system to pull the look through the entire bathroom. Okay, so we've removed the old shower control system and we're going to apply our new shower control system. All I have to do now is screw the neck of the shower head and screw on the shower head. And there we have it. Voila. All right, let's turn this thing on and see what happens. All right, so next up, I'm going to install this Allen & Roth towel bar. Now I'm going to install this Allen & Roth black towel hook. And an all-wood shower mat from ARBT and Specialties for a little warmth. To take the upgrade a bit further, I'm going to introduce new linens. I like the pattern on these towels. It's an elegant look and goes really well with our style. As you can see, we have this nice, natural, spa-like vibe happening. So, I'm going to throw in some plants to tie it all together. This Green Dig snake plant in a ceramic pot looks great and also doubles up as an air purifier. And there you have it, an updated farmhouse chic bathroom you'll be excited to use and show off. Visit Lowes.com for all the latest trends and styles you'll need to create your own one-day wonder bathroom renovation.